Hello, it's Phillip Taylor speaking from Richmond Green Chambers, and today I'm looking at a book we reviewed before. It's Tolley's Employment Tax Planning, now for 2012 to 13. It's a second edition. It's been written by the excellent Amanda Sullivan and her colleague Graham Farquhar. It's part of Tolley LexisNexis Butterworths publications. We've given it a title this time, Attention Tax Lawyers, Employment Lawyers and Accountants. Tolley's Employment Tax Planning is now available in a new second edition. That's what it is. We'll have a look at the book in a minute. It's been recently published, as I say, by Tolley's. And Amanda has produced an excellent new edition, which has become, we think, an indispensable reference for employment lawyers, tax advisors, or indeed anyone involved in employment tax planning. In one handy paperback volume, which is also helpful, it's got over 800 pages. Sullivan and her colleague Graham Farquhar provide a one-stop guide to the income tax and NEC matters pertaining to employment income, together with all relevant compliance issues. Important area. One ultra-convenient aspect is that it is cross-referenced to HMRCs' internal manuals, and I think that will be very helpful when we look at the real detail of some problems that could potentially exist. Not only does this second new edition cover the basic legislation, it also contains much new material, including charges on employment income and the regular changes that have affected it in recent years in response to government policy, notably increased charges on company cars and tax incentives to encourage greener transport. Other new material includes and expounds upon the changes wrought by the 2011 Finance Act with respect to employee pension provision and the rules on third-party remuneration and non-domiciled individuals. Again, bit of a controversial area. Speaking of which, do note that from April 2013 there will be two significant new developments. One, a statutory residence test replacing the current rules, which will decide the status of an employee with respect to such matters as factual presence in the UK and specific work activities. And the second is the real-time information, the RTI, which will affect the operation of PAYE. There's a 35-page index at the back, which is very helpful. This is the book, spine, and then there's the back of it there. It's a heavy book. There's quite a lot. There's a lot in it. Obviously, there has to be. There's the index. But it's been brilliantly done as usual. What I like, again, is the standard house style, if you like, of paragraph numbering at the sides to find things pretty easily. There are quite nice little planning points, which I think is a useful little highlight as well. The book, as I say, it covers a huge amount of stuff. That's just the middle of the book there, to give you a feel for it. And then at the front, lots and lots of lovely cases. And what we've got right at the beginning is do read the preface, which Amanda has produced just to explain what is happening at the moment. Can I thank her and her colleague and all the people at Tolley's LexisNexis Butterworths for what they've done. It's an excellent new edition. Very pleased with it. It's in the old bookcase. Thank you very much indeed. And good luck with what you're doing in the future, because it's getting more complicated as time goes by. Bye.